Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're diving into SEO for dropshipping. This guide will get you and your store ranked higher on search engines and driving organic traffic to your site. So whether you're just starting out or want to boost your existing store's visibility, I'll be sharing some tips and strategies to help you succeed. So without further ado, let's get started. So is SEO even important for dropshipping? And the answer is yes. By implementing a strong SEO strategy, you can significantly increase the visibility and success of your dropshipping business. With organic traffic is one of the main ways to get your site ranking on Google, and it's usually more cost effective than paid traffic through the use of ads, because SEO will help you rank higher in SERPs for relevant keywords, and this brings free organic traffic to your website, and that'll increase your visibility and potential customer base as well. All of that will reduce your reliance on paid ads. Paid advertising can definitely be very effective, but it can also be costly. So SEO provides a sustainable and cost-effective way to drive traffic to your store. A strong SEO strategy will also help build brand authority and credibility. When people find your website organically, they're more likely to trust your brand. And SEO focuses on improving user experience. So when your website is optimized for search engines, it also is optimized for users, leading to higher conversion rates. And all of this will lead to your long-term growth. SEO is a long-term strategy, and it yields consistent results over time. Unlike paid ads, organic traffic continues to flow even after you stop actively promoting specific keywords. So there's a few strategies that you can use for a dropshipping website, and these strategies also work for any kind of website that you have. Main ones being keyword research, on-page optimization, and technical SEO as well as some content marketing. By implementing the strong SEO strategy, you can significantly increase your visibility and success of your dropshipping business. So starting off with keyword research. So keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy, and is particularly crucial for dropshipping businesses. There's two different types of keywords. There's short-tail keywords and long-tail keywords. Short-tail keywords are broad, general terms with high search volume, but also high competition. Things like shoes, phones, bags. These are all short-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords, however, are more specific and often include 3 or more words. Things like best waterproof hiking boots for women or iPhone 14 Pro Max case. They generally have lower search volume, but a lower competition, making them easier to rank for. So here's why long-tail keywords are more ideal for dropshipping. It has lower competition, so it's easier to rank for in search engines. People searching for specific products are more likely to make a purchase, so you have a higher conversion rate, and it's easier for targeting, so you can attract highly targeted traffic interested in your specific products as well. The process for keyword research involves brainstorming. So start with a list of relevant keywords related to your niche and your products, and using keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest to find relevant keywords, analyze the search volume, and assess competition as well. You can also analyze the keywords your competitors are ranking for, again with tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs, to see which keywords your competitors are targeting and how they are ranking for them. And consider the user's intent behind the search. Are they looking to buy? Are they looking to learn? Or are they looking to compare? So you want to tailor your keywords and content accordingly. So now let's look at a really powerful platform that can help you with your keyword research, and that's Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is a comprehensive SEO toolkit that offers a wide range of features, including Keyword Explorer, which will provide in-depth keyword research data, including search volume, keyword difficulty, and SERP analysis. You can also use it to analyze your competitors' backlinks and identify opportunities for your own backlink profile. You can find relevant content ideas, identifying trending topics in your niche, and you can track your keyword rankings over the time and monitor your projects as well. With Ahrefs, you can focus on long-tail keywords for better targeting and lower competition, utilize keyword research tools to find relevant and profitable keywords, analyze your competitors' keyword strategy, and consider user intent when selecting keywords. By conducting thorough keyword analysis and research and implementing the right strategies, you can significantly improve your website's visibility in search engines and attract more targeted traffic to your dropshipping store as well. On-page SEO for dropshipping involves optimizing the content and elements directly within your website to improve its search engine ranking and user experience. Part of it was keyword research and integration, but it also includes high-quality content creation as well. So for example, writing detailed and informative product descriptions that highlight the unique selling propositions of each product, use bullet points and lists, formatting to improve readability, and focusing on providing valuable information to customers. Make sure that you write clear and concise website copy for your homepage, about us, and other important pages as well. Use a conversational and friendly tone to connect with your audience. As mentioned before, you want to focus on long tail keywords, so more specific phrases with lower competition, like, for example, best noise cancelling headphones for travel under $100, have quite a few keywords in it, and they have a very specific phrases that people might be searching for as well. And again, Ahrefs could come in, and you can use that to look at the ranking for search for certain keywords and key phrases that you want to rank for as well. Technical SEO refers to a set of practices that ensure your website meets search engines' technical requirements to improve organic ranking. And if you're meeting the technical requirements, it will also help your user experience, because the technical requirements are basically designed to ensure that the user gets an optimal experience when browsing your website. When it comes to technical SEO, mobile friendliness is one of the most important factors. Ensure your website is mobile friendly, responsible on all different types of devices. Use Google's mobile friendly test check, and optimize your website speed as well to improve user experience and search engine rankings. When it comes to website speed, depending on what platform you're using, it might not always be possible to sort of tweak and customize the speed itself. So for example, with Wix, there's not a lot of performance changes that you can make as everything is handled by the platform themselves. However, things like using compressed images, not having too many apps, same as Shopify, will all determine how fast your website is. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as well. If there's any other things that you want to learn more about, let us know, and I'll see you in the next one.